Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Under the sweltering sun, the stage was set. The Capital Edge Cricket Club faced off against NJ Warriors in a pivotal Division B clash, a true test of mettle and strategy in the Millennium Cricket League, F40 League.
The blades of grass quivered as these titans walked onto the field, the air crackling with anticipation. This was not just a game, it was a chapter in their storied rivalry, an epic battle in the making.
Kudos to our generous event advertisers, whose support amplified the excitement of today's colossal contest. Their contributions have turned this match into an unforgettable spectacle.
DifGen Pharmaceuticals and Faith Home Healthcare have partnered with us, epitomizing the synergy of an unbeatable opening pair and the precision of a cricketer's sweetest drive, enhancing the drama of today's encounter.
A commanding total by Capital Edge was set thanks to explosive batting. The Warriors, choosing to field, could not contain the Crusaders' relentless charge. With partnerships flourishing and the scoreboard ticking, the game was set ablaze from the very start.
NJ Warriors' decision to bowl first seemed to backfire as Capital Edge's batsmen put on a fireworks show. Strategic miscalculations and missed opportunities paved the way for a daunting target, turning the match into a riveting narrative of conquest and defense.
The Capital Crusade marched on with gusto, as Ankit Patel remained a fortress unbeaten. With partners falling, his blade danced, crafting a sum tally formidable.
The Warrior bowlers, despite moments of brilliance, found themselves lost in the onslaught. They chased leather as Edge's soared and strategies crumbled to the might of the Capital Edge.
With the scent of victory in their nostrils, the Edge bowlers dismantled the Warriors' lineup, a testament to the meticulous plotting in the field.
Mukund Patankar's spellbinding bowling was the final nail, his figures painting a masterpiece, while the Warriors' resistance crumbled under the weight of the Edge's resolve.
Ankit Patel's blade wielded tales of grandeur, while Jignesh Parikh and Mukund Patankar were architects of the Warriors' downfall, crowning the Edge as gladiators supreme.
Patel's sturdy stand, Parikh's guile, and Patankar's lethal deliveries crafted a victory canvas so vivid, it etched their names into the annals of Division B's history.
The Capital Edge Cricket Club emerges victorious by a staggering 199 runs. A combination of strategic batting and lethal bowling heralded a win that resonated across Division B.
As the dust settles, the magnitude of Capital Edge's triumph looms large over the Warriors. It is a result that will echo, shaping the team's destiny as they forge ahead. Like international stars shining on the world stage, the Edge's players displayed a caliber that altered the course of the game, leaving us to ponder the ripples this match will send through the league.
This was not just a match, but a narrative rich with heroics, akin to the epics of cricketing legends. As the Edge basks in glory, the tale of the Capital Crusade, a colossal conquest in Division B, will be recounted for ages.